What's up, guys? So I'm in the airport and I wanted to share some information about inflation and where things are going with the economy and whether or not the recession is going to be difficult to deal with. I'll say this really quickly. Basically, from the research I'm doing, they're arguing that most of the inflation that's around has to do with housing. If you live in places like Atlanta, which is actually where I'm flying right now, housing prices have gone way up. There are lots of people, I think they said 15,000 people in Atlanta have Section 8 vouchers for a house, but can't find a house to move into. And a lot of this is driven by, number one, when they increased interest rates, a lot of people who were locked into lower rates, 2, 3, 4%, they don't want to sell, right? So that's one thing. I have a house in Atlanta, I'm not selling. Second of all, they said that there is a higher demand for housing because people have more money than they had before. But in terms of a recession coming, they're going to start sort of turning on the faucets again in terms of making people pay student loans and things like that. And they said a lot of people, especially millennials, are going to end up living with their parents because not only is the price of housing going up or to buy a house, but also rent is going up. So these are some of the dynamics that are happening. The Federal Reserve stopped hiking interest rates, which is good for your stocks. Stocks have been doing really well, making a lot of money. I'm taking a little bit of money off the table, selling some options, things like that, to generate income because I wouldn't be surprised if there's a little bit of a downturn in the near future, but I don't think it'll be permanent. I think the stock market, for the most part, is on its way up. So, especially over the next couple of years. So anyway, guys, if you'd like to learn how to make money without working, I have a good training on that. Feel free to go to boycewatkins.com. Also, my new book is called The 10 Commandments of Black Economic Power. It's an Amazon bestseller, so feel free to take a look. I'll see you guys later. Let me get on this airplane. Peace.